How to make wedding website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. Feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free and free forever. You just need to create a suitable password and use your email address. So here you can see homepage of Wix.com. Here is the sites you've been creating before, but now we need to create a new site. So click this blue button, and now we have a new page, Wix site creation. And Wix website offers us to try an iHelp, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. Now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. As you remember, we need a wedding website, so just click type wedding. Here you have it, wedding website, continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. Here it is, create your first event, start by giving it a name. This can be changed later. What would you like to call this event? So basically this is a wedding. For example, wedding of Anne and Paul. Click continue. What type of event you are hosting, tell us what you are planning, and we will help you set it up. So for example, you don't need to have a ticket on your wedding because basically this is like free event of wedding, so just registration only. Set the time and location of your event, let your guests know when and where to catch your event. So basically choose whatever you want, whatever you need, choose your real date and time, and where will this event take place. You can choose a physical location. Basically the wedding can be online, I think. So I will just skip this step, but you feel free to edit like you want. And it's the same with this page right here. Choose whatever you want. I will skip this step. And now continue to dashboard. Now we are back to our dashboard. As you can see, we still have 4 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. For example, first step is connect a custom domain, find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. For example, our website will have wedding online and Paul. Let's go. As you can see, this domain is available right now, so you can have it, you can make it yours. Next step, create your first event. This is basically that we already done, but as you saw, I skipped some of steps, so that's why this step isn't like done right now. This is in progress. So let's move straight to this point, design site. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize, or get personalized site design in seconds with the help of AI. But I would like to choose this one, pick a template, and recommend you to choose the same option. Wix.com have thousands of templates, and I'm sure every user will be find the template that he is really like and want to use. For example, Here you can see all templates are really nice, but I really like this one, so we can view it to make sure this is fine. Yeah, I like this, and we will choose this one. For this we need to click this button, edit, and now we have our Wix website editor, but we need to wait until everything loads. Wix website editor is the best opportunity to creating new websites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, or something like this. You just need to use website for creating a website. I think this is the best about Wix website. So I really recommend you to use this website for creating websites. And now everything is ready. Now we can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our website. Here we have home page, updates, members, schedule, event details, updates again, group, my account, my wallet. For example, you don't really need this updates section, so just click on it and click here we need to click manage pages, and here we have it, updates, delete groups, delete app. If you don't like, for example, this one, you can quickly delete it. You're good to go. Now, for example, you want to edit this one because this is basically not your photo. You can easily change image clicking here, and here you can upload your media through your computer and easily have your image right here. For example, you have such functions as add elements, add section, site pages and menu, site design, Wix app market, media right here, my business right here. We don't really need this in our video right now. Basically, the main functions of this video is to double click on any section. Here you can see our site divided into several sections. First one, header, then intro section, our story section, decorative section, event section, resources section, and brand section, and footer, of course. For example, you want to edit any of this section, either you double click on it, either you click quick edit right here. Here you can section background change the section background, change strip background, change image, any of image, title Tanya and Josh. No, we have Anne and Paul, so just clicking this one and typing Anne and Paul, and here you have it, together with their families, Anne and Paul. Here you can of course change the date, for example this year, no, next year. So as you can see, it's really easy to edit, it's really easy to use. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics, but when you are done to edit your website, click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it in the global internet. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next videos. I hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow, like, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.